India da khwaidagi thak wanglaba cultural ambassador singi manungda ama oiriba Manipur gi tanglaba mapari Leikhidraba Ratan Thiyam da Bharat Ratna award Piduna Ekai Khumnaba Utnaba Rajya Sabha gi MP ningthau sana zawalai sembana Parliament Taksinkhre ngasi phamkiba Parliament mifamgi 0 hour gi khudong saba lawraga MP sana zawuna Ratan Thiyam da Bharat Ratna award pinabagi wafam pukhaladuna mahana hai Leikhidraba Ratan Thiyam ase India gi oina khwaidagi masak nairaba theater legend amadi cultural icon amani Tanglaba theater legend amadi cultural icon asina tongan bahiram kyada saurba thodang lauduna masamak playwright director painter writer amadi theater visionary ama oina anuba matam sunaraba theatrical expression ga loinana mahaki top topa traditional Manipuri aesthetic singi kuthangda India ge theater bu anuba mayon amada puraki mangna sahi yankai henbagi sanglaba career amaga loinana sakra vihua andhayuk ritu samara amadi Uttar Priyadarshi na singthanigai oiraba production kya puthokuna malem gi thakta India gi asoba fida ama kanba ngamlakhi MP sana jawa laishemana makhatan hai Leikhidraba Ratan Thiyam Manipur gi oina National School of Drama NSD da graduation tawkiba ahanu misakni madugi matung kumja lisinga masamapan maripu taretagi lisinga masamapan maripu mapan fawbuda director amasung kumja lisingani tarahomdoi dagi lisingani tara taret fawbuda NSD gi chairman ama oina khunai sigi damak kathokpa hauki Ratan Thiyam na kumja lising masamapan humudra tarukta Imphal da chorus repertory theater semgatki hairiba theater asimak miyam na thoidok hendongna sakhang naraba leibak asigi maru oiraba amadi khunai asigi miyam da tanglaba paujel kya piba theater ama oirakhi mangna hiram kya da katholam basing adubu sakhang boina Padma Shri award Sangit Natak Academy award amadi Sangit Natak Academy fellowship na singba mana kya piduna Ekai khumnaba utki Theater Gilamda Mahana Lauramba Singthanigai Oiraba Thodang Singadubu Sakhang Boina Kumja Lisingani Tara Nipanda Matamadugi India gi Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu na Legend of India Lifetime Achievement Award Khusinaki Manipur gi tanglaba mapari amadi India gi khwaidagi saknairaba cultural ambassador singi manungda ama oiriba Ratan Thiyam na lauramba thodang amadi katholomba singadubu sakhangba amadi Ekai khumnaba utpoina India gi khwaidagi thak wanglaba civilian award Bharat Ratna Leikhidraba Ratan Thiyam da pibinaba MP sana jawbuna India lengakta Taksinkhre
I ask the government to confer Bharat Ratna posthumously upon late Sri Ratan Thiyam, one of the India's greatest theatre legends and a towering cultural icons from Manipur. Sri Ratan Thiyam was a multifaceted genius, playwright, director, painter, writer and theatre visionary who transformed Indian theatres through his unique blending of traditional Manipuri aesthetics with modern theatrical expression. He was the first National School of Drama NSD graduate from Manipur, later serving as its director from 1987 to 1989 and as chairman from 2013 to 2017. His contributions were recognized with Padma Shri, Sangit Natak Academy Award and Sangit Natak Academy Fellowship, among many others honors. In recognition of his extraordinary contribution into theatre, he was conferred the Legend of India Lifetime Achievement Award in 2018 by the then Vice President of India, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji. Therefore, I urge the Government of India to confer the Bharat Ratna posthumously upon Sri Ratan Thiyam as a fitting tribute to a legendary son of Manipur.